All right, your topic is names. Like my name is Asad Yaqub, so names is the topic. Does your name have any special meaning?
Yes, sir. My name is having a special meaning. I think so. It's a collection of fruits. So,
Okay. Instead of saying my name is having, you should say my name has.
Okay.
Right? My name has a special meaning. Your name is Samar?
Samra.
Samra. So Samra means a collection of fruits. Oh, it's funny, huh? Okay. Is your name very common in your country?
Yes, sir. My name is too much common. Most of my friends are having the same name as I have in
Again,
my academy.
are having. Most of my friends have the same name.
Have the same name as I am. So in my academy, 3 of my friends were of the same name as I am, same as my name.
Okay, this is very good. Just keep it up. Okay, be confident and be serious. You're smiling, laughing. You know, some people laugh when they are confused. So maybe you're just doing that. Do you like your name?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can laugh. Please laugh. Like that. Okay, fine. Or little more. Yeah, enough. Okay, so shall we continue now? Now you're gonna be serious, yeah?
Okay.
So, do you like your name? Oh, I love my name. It's so wonderful. It's just come on.
Okay. Yes, I like my name very much because I think so. It's unique.
This is not enough. You need to speak some more. Do you like your name? I love my name very much because it is quite unique, and the fact that my grandfather especially chose this name for me, for this reason I really respect and like my name. Okay? Put grandfather there.
Okay.
Yeah, mom, dad, grandfather and all that. One of my students, she changed her name. And she said, I wanted to have my name of my own, like according to my own will. Sometimes, you know, people do that also. Birth name is changed to your own name. Now, would you like to change your name?
No, I don't think so. I would like to change my name because it's having a very good meaning like collection. It has a very good meaning like collection of fruits. So whenever I listen my name, I feel good.
Okay. All right. ਤੁਸੀਂ examiner ਨੂੰ ਹਸਾ ਕੇ ਆਓਗੇ ਹਾਂ but ਹਸਾਨੇ का band extra नहीं मिलना. You know, examiner was smiling so much, sir. I'm so happy. So you gotta be fine. Do people in your country ever change their names?
Yes. Most probably I have seen most of the people in my country have changed their name because they don't like their names. One of my friend changed her name when we were in 9th class. She just changed her name because she don't like the pronunciation of her name, so she changed.
Okay. Do you have any nickname, or how do your family members call you at home?
No, I don't have any nickname. My family members call me just by my real name, Samra, and
okay.
My mother don't like to.
My mother doesn't like.
My mother doesn't like to call the children from their nicknames, so she don't like if someone calls.
She doesn't like
if someone calls me by the nickname.
All right, I do have a nickname. My name is Asad Yaqub, but at home they call me Boota. They Bootea, oh Bootea. So like, okay, all the best. Thank you. You need to control your laughter. Just a second, okay? And you don't have to smile in actual IELTS test that much unless the circumstances allow. But you know, IELTS test is conducted in a very serious environment. So you should be serious and answer all the questions confidently. Okay? Thank you.